Taylor with it.
Can you put? Is it on record?
Yeah.
I hate everyone.
We're in Florida right now, and we're.
Florida!
I don't care. I don't care. You can hear me.
Why come in the light?
Okay, you can see me now. Okay. We have been through crap. Well, not really. Van's really hot, and
Oh, we got suitcases falling out. Oh,
got suitcases falling out. And
The car is smoking.
look at Thomas's
the car
hair.
Is smoking. Get out of the car.
is smoking. Get out of the car.
It is. It's not cool.
Nah, man.
Pop the hood, they just guys made that video about
You
how
don't see all
hard
the
times
smoke,
was.
And now the van's smoking.
About how hard times was.
Yeah. Cars, van's smoking.
I don't know. Maybe it's just moist.
It was doing this at Steak and Shake.
Are you serious?
Yes, it was. You didn't hear Josh when he got out of the van? He was like, "Smells like y'all's van's running hot." Trying to get the van open. Don't mean to be a Debbie Downer, but this ain't looking too good. We'll get back to you with another update. Guys, I want you to witness Taylor panicking.
Joe.
This is him in his natural habitat.
Joe, what does he say?
Just got off the phone with his parents.
Let the journey commence once again.
Joe.
He
Take
said.
my fucking PB&J.
But I was gonna go to Tashi Station and get some power converters.
For the spare
Where are we
tire.
at, Joe? We're in Cape
Washington.
Coral, Florida.
Lee County.
All the houses are scattered.
We just got here, and what time is it?
Got here.
What time is it, Joe?
It is. My phone's dead. So
6:44.
6:44 in the morning.
From Middle Georgia to Florida.
Was it really?
24-hour drive. You're retarded, Thomas.
I'm about to fart.
dude, they got biting gnats here, dude.
I hit my fucking head on the shingle. First day of recording here. What are we doing, guys?
Joe be black.
Playing some video.
But the most people always play Call of Duty.
This
Like
is the
Michael
dog,
Kitchens.
Seth. This is the dog, Seth. This is the pink chair.
He's a Daryl.
This is a studio. We're gonna fucking get signed to.
Yeah. That's their bottom.
I hate the sound of forks. Something like
Man, I'm recording you.
My nose itches.
Early, no,
She
she
would
was
just say
like,
like really dumb
no,
shit.
she was like, he said he worked at Publix, and she was like, do you have days where you go through a midlife crisis and have to go? Yeah. How we hanging up in here, man? Huh? Can you even hear me? Hey, bro. Oh, you can't hear me. Huh? So how we doing in here? Pretty good. Sounds pretty good, man. Sit. I made these paper towels on my dick.
Still hurts.
This will do. Likewise. Are you cold over there? Because it's like a perfect temperature over here.
I have my own vent.
Thank you, Tom. Still wide awake.
Oh.
Hopefully getting bass done tomorrow.
Damn it.
And some of the guitars.
Hey, that's not for Sean Green's dad. It's cool and all, but
Watching porn.
No.
It's not good for you.
I'm not. I'm not doing that. That's not what I'm doing. I'm not doing that. I'm not.
Exactly.
Dude, you can't. I'm talking to someone very
Go back up.
secretive
Go back down.
that only me and Steven can
Porn
know
will
about.
rot your brain.
Go back down.
I'm talking to
Kids.
For the Fallen Dreamers via
Awesome.
Facebook. They want me.
There's another update coming to you live.